Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload photos or images to your Terabox app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up your Terabox app on your mobile device as you normally would. And now once you've done that, you'll be brought to the home page here like so. If you've got a free version, you might get an advert at the start when you open. Just click out of the ad. And now from here, you want to click on the plus icon, bottom right hand corner of the page. And then we want to click on photos, or if you'd rather take a photo and upload, you can do that as well. So go ahead and click on photos. That's going to take you to your camera roll or your files inside your phone. Alright, so as you can see, I'm inside my files in my phone. So if I want to upload a photo, I can just simply click on the photo. You can click on multiple ones if you want, like so, and then click on upload. And now you've got a choice to upload on cellular data or wait for Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to use cellular data. And now this is going to upload to Terabox. And as you can see, it's got a process. Yep, so it's been uploaded. And if we go ahead and click onto recent, just refresh the page here. There it is there. So I've uploaded these files.